Every week, dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the MTN 8, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by the strong Shanite himself, the only fan with a PhD, Tommy.
I was Tiwo Ogrenmeauti.
I'm not.
I wish, just because Karata ball and stuff, I wish I could say good football, but there was nothing here. There was nothing nice here.
Zero.
Nothing nice, nothing exciting.
Yes.
We came to watch, obviously, Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
And this for me is not a new coach. It's a coach that has been there for the longest time, more PSL.
Yes.
In Mamelodi Sundowns, Mangoba Mngqithi. Obviously, he has worked with Coach Rulan Mokoena. He has worked with also Coach Pitso Mosimane.
Yes.
Yeah, so there's nothing new that we were expecting. Obviously, he knows everything about Mamelodi Sundowns. Yes. So I just came to check what would they have changed. And try changing, I could see those passes, those 1,000 passes. They were nowhere to be found. Obviously, not to say he can't have those 98,000 passes.
Yes.
It's just that he's using a different methodology now.
Yes.
Of playing less of the ball from the back and pushing further forward fast. You understand?
Yes.
Swiftly, right? But you could tell already there was many bad things that were done here from a technical point of view. Cheka, but Ribeiro not Ribeiro, Coetzee le Musa Lebusa. Obviously, it's expected the Sundowns would be attacking most of the time, considering what they are playing. Obviously, a smaller team in Polokwane City. We expect them to attack more. Hands about attack 2 from round, then 4. Wabona, they want to attack directly. I mean, in modern football, you want to attack directly. I mean, even in the past 15 years, there's no team carrying directly in the middle of the park. Obviously, you have to stretch or attack the wing backs or the wingers.
Yes.
But it's like Dundee United, a team that Dundee United. Let me introduce you to Dundee United. Dundee United. I'm talking about my home team, Yako Zanin. Kodan village where I come from, a team that Ilya Shapa Sundowns, by the way.
Yeah.
Yes, Ilya Shapa go Nedbank, go check. Yes. But anyway, Pelana Chiefs, Pirates, Dallas Sundowns and stuff.
Yes.
Nekina Louis Harbor.
Yes.
But Gabonara, a tin fish straight, and a tin fish expiry lane. In fact, I was hoping. Horban Fema Mamelodi Sundowns, they were not so convincing. Shaluli, no, how qualify? Over Tamutosa qualifying with Dalalian. Understand? It's like Tibo, let me tell you.
Yes.
If you've got a date, or Jacob Zuma, Duduzile Zuma.
Yes.
I can't horunali date Luen. But when you'll forever remember it. This is exactly, that's why Sundowns wants to play against Pirates. Now, people can say I hate Sundowns or anything.
Yes.
Sundowns were nowhere to be found.
Today.
Yes, they were nowhere to be found at all. A rational person or understanding football, Mamelodi Sundowns, will tell you they won by luck.
Today.
There was no clear chance.
Yes.
Mshishi no longer have legs. Yes, but they were smart enough to introduce him at the later stages of the game.
True.
He was good in those few minutes.
Yes.
But again, you would tell or is not. He was sharp to a certain degree, but he doesn't have legs. Ribeiro. I mean, if you play Ribeiro, you must play him on the far left. On the far left, so that he can, on the far right, so that he cuts inside with the left.
Yes.
He can either give you a goal or maybe a passer and oncoming player.
Yes.
That's when you find goals. And you need to have that play. There's something wrong. It's either the English or the tactics or the humbleness of Mangoba Mngqithi and the English of Steve Kompela, the tactical aspect of faults. They were nowhere to be found. They were playing fake football. I'm telling you, I know that people will say or hate Sundowns or anything.
Yes.
Remember. A mad person thinks us normal people are crazy. In fact, you cannot remove Shalulile, Wakena Ema. You don't have that natural number 9. Someone whom had the players, your wingers, had the cutter inside. They need that player, your Mabaso kind of player, your sniper rather, to finish. But there was nothing. Pela Sundowns didn't create any goal. At all, any goal scoring opportunity. There was nothing whatsoever.
Yes.
Look, back in Ricardo Cotier, he was caught for pace in many times. I mean, sometimes you just need emotional intelligence or intelligence. In fact, you need a standard 5 to understand Ricardo Cotier was slow and it's not sharp. He's not been playing. In fact, Eriko Chele something. This is exactly that will happen to Mamelodi Sundowns. They are going to have a worse season unless if they attack this thing very easy. But when Alwanyano hooting, akitore hantle, ali a vision.
Yes.
Akikwaletu kontlu.
Yes.
But wasam stada.
Yes.
Higher school onko tertiary.
Yes.
Everybody ujayen.
Sundowns is like that.
Sundowns utlo joa yona fela this season. Because teams hasn't studied. No. It's my interview. But I come out and go busy. I think so. Show in a no, you want me telling you nice.
I'm funny, Santa.
Charlie. The wrong usage of words. No, my man. No. But I love the school fees, Charlie. Our guys don't but the school fees. Hey, it's in Kulume fast, Charlie. All right. As a man of honor and a decent man, it was a wrong example to use. But all I'm saying is Sundowns kuzodliwa yona phela this season. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you. Ithi ngukutshela why. Teams no mamela ngicela ungayi chance nami ngukayini.
Yeah.
Teams have now studied Sundowns. And I think this game Polokwane City Ishebile game ya Pirates haija Sundowns ko Nedbank.
Yes.
And they've realized you need to stand udule komrao.
Block.
They can call it a low block, but for me it's a tactical approach.
Yes.
A ball playing team. Then you remain at the back and then you cover them counter press. This is what Polokwane City was trying to do. But unfortunately, not everyone has the luxury of having the likes of Relebohile Mofokeng, of having the likes of your sniper, of having the likes of Mahopa,
yes,
of having the likes of Gilberto,
right,
of having the excellency, your Tito Patrick Maswanganye,
yes,
the Moonwalker himself. We understand, not everyone will have those blessings or the luxury. Yes. Hence, I'm telling you in advance, I don't see Sundowns able number 3 or number 4 this season. According to the player today, let me tell you, this was football delinquency at its highest. Naki Boni.
What's delinquency? Tell me.
Kibu dom ko pa football man, bonti no macho.
Kumutaka la sipona. Yazi chavu. Abona lesafunda kakhulu esikeleze kakhulu. Kodwa suku ngathuthi kanje. Uyahamba. Ukeleze too much lo muntu lo. Akazi khona. Akazi bhola ukeleze too much. Ufunda dictionary. Ubona ku dictionary kunasikhuluma ngento esibhekelayo. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yena ukhuluma ibhola le dictionary lo muntu. Yes. Hayi baba. Isilungu bani leso sikhulumayo lesi? Delinquency.
Team do you like to face in semi-final? Which team do you like to face in semi-final time? Me as a Sundowns fan, I would like to face Pirates. And my reason is that
Copa Feta, man. It's the level.
Oh, okay. Give me like Copa Man of the match, team.
Man of the match, I'll give it. I almost contradicted myself because I had anticipated a wrong question.
Okay.
But the absence of Rulan Mokoena became the man of the match.
How?
What do you mean, Baba?
In his absence, Rulani Mokoena,
Became.
the tactician genius,
Yes.
his absence was felt.
Today.
Not only
Fail.
insubstantial or ubone alhuli empty ko banking, but also kopan.
Ausokopa.
This is precisely, if this was fashion, Negatar Sundowns air peri trek suit, le chap nose. How kopan? How kopan? How kopan? How kopan? How kopan? How kopan? You know, right? I like the humility ya Mangoba Mniti. Kerata es sa Steve Kompela. Kerata the tactical aspect ya faults. But this was Budom Koba football.
Remember Richard Yileka 10 run a time fail.
I can charge them, but I don't mind doing it again.
Please just recharge with 15 rand by dialing *144 *8 hash. And then you send a chance to win a show of 8 million.
Thank you, my brother. Let me just send a short message.
Go on.
There are a few things that I hate in life.
What?
Like poverty.
Yes. What?
Like sicknesses.
2.
Sundowns does not fall in those things. I will never hate Sundowns. This is an epitome of black excellency.
Yes.
I just have to tell you the truth as it is.
Yes.
Whether you like it or not, there's something missing at Mamelodi Sundowns. And if this continues, I don't see them Baliko top 8. The very same thing I said about Kaizer Chiefs. Yes. No, let me tell you. Kaizer Chiefs was once a big team, of which they are. Even today, we cannot cover them in many aspects.
Yes.
When some of us who are overseers of things, remember you need data analysis in such things to tell you the future.
Yes.
We said some of us, top 8. And some of Kaizer Chiefs fans who understand football did say, Kaizer Chiefs, our team, in silence, in secret. Obviously, they love the team. They said Chiefs won't make it in top 8. And we are happy that they don't make it so that they fix the team. And this information is worth over 3 million, but they don't have to pay me anything. Sundowns, if they continue to be like this, it's given Bakasi Dobe next.
Compared to a premiership.
Bakasi Dobe next. I mean everything. Even today, it's just the grace of God that they won this game. Thank you.